Today we're taking a closer look at the Hiearcool USB C Hub, a sleek and versatile multi-port adapter designed to transform your Type-C device into a fully functional workstation. This USB-C hub combines all essential connectivity options in one compact package, instantly boosting the usability of your MacBook, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Razer, and other USB-C equipped devices. At first glance, the standout features of this hub are its impressive ports and strong performance capabilities. Equipped with two high-speed USB 3.0 ports, a 4K 30Hz HDMI port, an SDTF card adapter, and a powerful 100-watt Type-C PD charging port, the adapter offers a comprehensive solution for both professional and personal needs. The HDMI port supports a dazzling 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160 pixels with 30 Hz refresh, delivering lifelike images that make video presentations, movies, or graphic design projects truly immersive. The 100-watt power delivery is a noteworthy aspect that sets this adapter apart. For users of high-performance devices like the latest MacBook Pro or other USB-C enabled laptops, this feature ensures that your system remains charged while you connect multiple devices, a major convenience in today's busy work environments. The device even supports a USB-C pass-through charging that is a welcome addition for those constantly on the go. In real-life scenarios, the Hiearcool USB C Hub demonstrates its usefulness in numerous settings. For instance, during a business presentation or when working remotely, the hub's plug-and-play design means you can quickly connect your monitor, peripherals, and storage without any hassle. The two USB-A 3.0 ports transfer data at speeds of up to 5 GB per sec, making file transfers rapid and efficient. The travel-friendly design, featuring an aluminum alloy casing weighing just 2.4 ounces, ensures that this hub is not only powerful but also portable. Despite its many advantages, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. Some users might require drivers for certain functionalities when connecting with less common peripherals, even though it is generally plug-and-play for most systems. Additionally, while the 100-watt PD is ideal for many devices, users with devices that require even higher charging capacities may need an external charger. When compared with similar products on the market, the Hiearcool stands out due to its robust design, impressive port selection, and competitive pricing. To get the most out of this hub, ensure you are using high-quality cables and keep your firmware updated for optimal performance. Overall, the Hiearcool USB C Hub is a versatile and dependable choice for professionals, travelers, and everyday users looking to expand the connectivity of their USB-C devices. If you're in need of enhanced functionality, combined with sleek design and portability, this adapter is certainly worth considering.